How to create drop down in Excel. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can create drop down list in Excel. So let's dive right in. First things first, head over to your Excel and then go to the cell where you want the drop down and then go to data at the top, and here in data tools you'll find the data validation option. Tap on it and then go to data validation, and then here select list, and then on source select the area that you want the drop down to be, and then hit OK. So uh, once you've done that, now you can see the drop down appear. Now you need to enter the inputs. So I want pass and fail. So now I've put in the drop down and I'll just drag it down. So the second one is fail. Now if I go to other cells, I can see the pass fail drop down easily. So I can just change it from here. And that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.